Hello guys, Shubham here. So there are many ROM which are claimed as the Android 12L or 12.1 for Poco F1. But today we are going to see such ROM which is quite amazing and which is actually a pure Android 12L ROM. The ROM is named as the RiceDroid. So without any further ado, let's get into this video and see how amazing is this. Now let's jump to the system information. Jumping in the about phone section, as you can see, this is the RiceDroid of version name called as Sizzle. Tapping on it, you will get this Easter egg of Android 12L. Pretty much obvious. Moving further, as you can see, it has the latest security patch of 5th of July 2022, which is pretty much good and the latest one. Now let's see the RiceDroid customizations. So here we got a whole lot of customization with a chef animation above, which is called as a Loti animation, and also in the list format. Moving in the about section, you will see that what is RiceDroid, basically the definition and the foundation of this ROM, and all the links moving to the GitHub and all the other stuff. Moving further, you will get all the customization with respect to buttons, lock screen, and all the other things you can really desire or expect from a custom ROM. They have kept as a list view for this, and they have made it in a way that it will be quite easy to find quickly in just one place. You will get all the other settings you get in other ROMs, and this is pretty much good. In navigation section, you will also get show arrow keys while typing, which is basically you can just move the cursor with the help of an arrow. Moving in notification settings, you will get all the notification customization you can ever expect. This is all the things you get, and this works pretty much fine and stable. Moving in quick settings, you will get all the customization regarding quick setting clock, AM to PM, and all the other stuff. I have tried all the customization personally and everything works pretty much fine. None of the customization is something affected because of the other things and doesn't crashes or causes any type of issue. Vibrate on connect, on call waiting, on disconnect, regarding sound, all works pretty much good. Status bar customizations, where you can just enable or disable the logo, as you can see, and also the positioning of clock and style you want. All this works pretty much good. Basically, they have included all type of customization you can ever expect, but in a way that you will find it differently. Moving towards the launcher setting, then this is launcher called as a sushi launcher, which they have renamed, and also all the links moving towards the developers and other stuff. You will get wallpaper customization, which you get in native Android 12L or 12 ROMs. You will get these widgets and also some OnePlus widgets itself. Moving further in volume settings, you will get all these settings and this small animation where the gear icons regarding settings just twist around and all the other stuff, pretty much handy and in one place. So that's all about the customization. Now let's do some gaming, that is the gaming performance on this ROM. You can see in miscellaneous there is something called as game space, as you get in all Android 12 ROMs, where you can just customize your gaming experience the way you want. You can see I have added BGMI, and also I have preferred the mode as the performance, and also enabled angle, which is experimental. But let's see how it works on this ROM. I have also unlocked higher FPS. Now moving towards the BGMI, let's see how it works on this ROM, and here comes the gameplay. So this is the BGMI I am playing on the highest setting, and also you can see on the extreme right side on top, the frame rate is getting counted, and I haven't faced any type of jitter or lag while playing the entire gameplay. I have played about 4 to 5 gameplays of BGMI and my experience was pretty much good. Comparing to the custom ROM experience, it was pretty much good and you won't face any type of issue while playing games in higher FPS. Now let's talk about some power, that is battery performance. So talking about the battery performance, once charged 100%, you will get about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. That is once charged, including playing some gameplays of your favorite game, you will last this battery full day without any issues. And also normal usage, you will end up with some 30 to 40% at the end of the day. So yes, as per battery too, this ROM is pretty much quite good and you won't be dissatisfied. Now let's move toward the safety net check or CTS bypass. Good news is that you will get the CTS bypass checked out of the box. That basically means you can use all the payment applications and banking applications without explicitly routing, and your phone is all safe and encrypted. You won't face any type of issues with it, so yeah, you can enjoy your payment applications on this ROM too. Now let's snap some picture, that is GCam Compatibility. As everyone knows, you will get such type of stock camera in all the custom ROMs. No one take efforts to actually port the GCam, which is of latest version. But worry not, as you guys know that what we do, that is installing our favorite GCam. Recently I made video that how you can install the latest GCam of version 8.5. You can just find that video above in the I button and you can good to go. So with GCam 8.5 you will get all these features, which is pretty much good and works pretty much fine with almost all the Android versions. So yeah, you can install that APK and you are good to go. You will get the 4K recording and all the other stuff on your Poco F1 without any issues. Now let's jump into some security and some music systems and sound system. So moving further in security, you will get this such as face and fingerprint unlock, and you will get the IR face unlock, which is pretty much good. You can see this is the IR sensor, which works pretty much fine and it's blinking. It is pretty much fast and you won't face any type of issues even in dark or daylight. It works pretty much good, as this is the something legacy stuff in Poco F1. Moving further, you will also get application security, that is app lock. You can just lock all your favorite applications or which are private applications as per your preference, and that will be protected as per your biometrics you have enabled, that is fingerprint or face unlock. So that's pretty much good. Moving further, for sound system, you will also get Dirac sound enhancer, where you can just enhance your sound the way you want, customizing as per your earphones and also the sound preset you want as per your preference. Now let's talk about some numbers, that is AnTuTu Scores. So talking about the AnTuTu benchmark, then the benchmark is something as 34,08,539. To be honest, this is one of the highest AnTuTu benchmark I have ever seen in Android 12 ROM. Mostly it lies in 28 or 32 or 30, but this is something good. As we don't rely much on numbers, but looking towards the numbers too, this is pretty much impressive and I liked it very much. So now these are some final words from my side. So let me tell you guys, some kind of hype for this ROM is actually real. The ROM is pretty much good in terms of performance, and till now there are many ROM which are claimed as Android 12.1 or 12L, but this is something really different and actually seems like the Android 12L ROM. Right from the Easter egg to all the other features and all the user interface they have designed, hats off to the team because they actually put some extra effort and they made an experience pretty much good and little different for all the Android 12 ROM users. So you can rely on this ROM if you ask me, and you can flash this ROM without any issues. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such content upcoming. Till then, see you guys again in the next one with some amazing content. Till then, peace out.